See you guys. Alright, we are off. We are leaving Halls Gap. Been here for 3 days. We're going to stay for 4, but just stayed for 3. And we're going to go straight to Mount Gambier, across the South A border. We've seen a lot of the coastline being from Victoria, so we figured let's just go straight to South Australia. So we'll do that. That probably took us a good hour 15 just to pack up, so first time packing up. Went pretty good. A little bit larger than last time because obviously everything was pristinely packed, but yeah, anyhow, we'll go into Halls Gap, fuel up, head back down towards Dunkeld again because it's probably the way we want to go to Mount Gambier, and hang a right and on our way to South Australia. But we've enjoyed our stay here. Just filled up at Halls Gap, off to Dunkeld. You right to go, Dale? Yep. Alright, well, we really enjoyed here. Off to the next destination. Yep, met some awesome people. Met Tony and Rat, and Dan and Kate. Tony and Rat from WA, they've been on the road for a long time, 600 days. And a lovely couple, Dan and Kate from Newcastle. And yeah, I think we were just saying we think they've been on since December. So yeah, really nice to meet them, and we might even catch up with Tony and Rat up at the Cape when we finally get up there. Anyhow, we'll see if we cross paths again, but lovely to meet them. Alright, on to Dunkeld, Dale. Done in Dunkeld. How'd your egg and bacon roll go? Yep. So you're filled up, ready to go then? Yep. Mount Gambier? Yep. Alright, so it's about, what, just over 2 hours from here. Alright, well let's hit the road. We're filled up and ready to rock. See you later, Grampians. Let's go South A. Just coming through Hamilton now. Portland ahead. The moto chick in the mirror there. Just pulled up at a little stop here just to give Jackie's backside a rest. A bit sore, honey.
Oh, very sore.
Yeah? So
I think 2 days ago.
that's alright. So we're about, I don't know, 20k from the South A border, then probably about another 30k onto Mount Gambier. So just give our butts a little rest, have a quick drink of water, and we'll push on. We're making great time today. It's only early, it's only 12:30, so we reckon we'll be at Mount Gambier probably in about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes, and then find somewhere to stay. Alright honey, we're in South Australia. You've done well. Did you think you could ride from Victoria to South Australia?
No way.
But I have. You have? Alright, we're just pulling into Mount Gambier. We're just going to pull over and plug into Google Maps the place we're looking for. There's a nice sinkhole that we just saw on the way in, so we want to go and have a quick look at that. And obviously speak to some locals and see what's good around here. Alright, let's get off to this caravan park. Alright, so we just pulled up at Pine Country Caravan Park. Jackie's going to go and check us in. and see what she can swindle, see if she gets free beers, because we've arrived on motorbikes. That's her theory, so she might put that to the test at the moment, see how it goes. Here, Dale.
Thank you. Alright.
You need your mask.
Yeah, I've got this.
Alright, I will chill out here while you go and suss it out. Looks pretty cool though. There it is. Pine Country Caravan Park in Mount Gambier. Just pulled in here. Bikes are running beautifully. No complaints at all. Got recommended this place by some people we were staying with at Hall's Gap. So should be good. Alright honey, that's about a 20-minute setup done.
Yeah.
Let's go up the street and get some supplies, get some food, get a couple of drinks, come back, sit on the chairs and put some tunes on. What do you reckon?
Yep. Sounds good.
Alright, so we're back from our shopping. Just sitting here having a couple of coldies. And there's Jackie, the ever organised woman that she is. She's got all the shopping done, she's got all the coffees done. Mind you, she's had a beer, so she has relaxed a little bit. She's had one. But she is, as everyone that knows Jackie, she is as organised as they come. All our coffee's done. She's got our bananas, our avocados. She's got her bottle of red, which is a must. Got to have that. We're just chilling out at this great camp. A couple of people have just rocked up and set up. But it's pretty quiet, so we're pretty happy with this.
Yeah.
Another great spot, isn't it?
Yep. A couple of alpacas or llamas. I don't know what they are.
Yep.
I can't remember.
Over with these glamping tents. They seem to be the go at most of these parks. There's a few of them. Over here. Another cracking spot. We'll have happy hour and then we'll go and cook some dinner. What do you reckon?
Yep. We've got Scotch fillet steak and salad dinner tonight.
Oh, beautiful. Alright, well as soon as you're done, have another beer and relax. So this is Jackie's alarm clock, 6:30 in the morning. We're going to go and look at a few places that Jackie's looked up. What's the first one? Ewan's Pond, just about 20 k's south of here. So let's mount up and get going. But before I forget, it's Pete's birthday today, so happy birthday, Pete.
Happy birthday, Peter!
We hope you have a great day, mate, and we'll maybe give you a call later on tonight, and obviously you'll be having happy hour somewhere with Christine, so yeah, we'll give you a call a bit later on. So alright, you're right, Jack? Yep. Let's get going and we'll go to this Ewan's Pond first and see what else you've got on your list. Alright, mate, chick, you ready? Let's go. Make out the coastline to the left over those hills. Off to Ewan's Pond Conservation Park. Let's go in and have a look. absolutely.
nice?
Oh, it's great. Yeah, and the visibility is good too,
Yep.
especially with the
Wow.
light and the sun now. So.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's pretty special.
Yeah, looks it.
Probably better now than when we started.
Yeah, beautiful. Crystal clear.
Yeah.
So did you scuba dive or just snorkel?
We just snorkeled.
Yeah.
It's magic.
So what sort of fish? Eels or what?
No, there's really nothing. There's a very small fish. You know, like the largest would be the length of one of your fingers.
Yeah, right.
Just, you know, I don't know what they even be. Fresh water, a bit like whitebait, really.
Yep.
Um,
All right, honey. On to Mount Shank. Let's go and have a look at that. Ewan's Pond, pretty bloody beautiful. That's about 10 k's from here, so it won't take us long, we'll be there. Walking up Mount Shank. How you going, darling?
Oh, killing me.
Check this out, Sean. Paul's actually doing a walk. Sean won't believe this, that's why I had to video it. He'd be thinking there's no way he'll walk that. Anyhow, I am. Let's wait and see what we get at the top. Mount Shank at the top. Let's have a look at this. Wow. Very cool. Sean, you'll see there's a little picnic ground right in the middle of it with a track. It goes all the way down to the middle, so I'm sure one day when you and Lisa come here, you'll want to walk that because you're crazy. But the two oldies.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah, it is good, isn't it?
Yeah.
The two oldies aren't walking in there though.
God no.
Let's have a look at this view from over here. Yep, see the coast out there. Real good. Alright honey, so that's Mount Shank. Now what's on the list? Little Blue Lake. Alright, let's go and have a look at that one then. Little Blue Lake. Let's check this out. It looks like there's people scuba diving in there because I can see a mountain of bubbles coming up from the bottom. Very cool. We'll go down and have a closer look. Comes the psychopath on the hill. Here he goes. Here he goes. Now that's big kahunas. Holy shit. Wow, that was cool. Yep, here's Mr. Crazy going again. Oh! Wow. That is nuts. He is nuts. Alright, let's head off to the next one, Jack. Well, Little Blue Lake, that was pretty cool. So we've got some other places to go a bit further out of town, but I need to fuel up, so we might go back into Mount Gambier, fuel up. There's a few places in town that's pretty cool to look at, so we'll go and look at them and then head out of town after that. Right, next one here, Blue Lake Lookout. Let's check this out. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Wow.
Very cool.
Wow.
How's that? Hey?
That is unreal.
I really want to fly the drone here, but it is blowing a gale and I don't want to lose the damn thing. Oh, tempting. Yeah, that's awesome. something else. I hope that GoPro picks up how blue that is, because that is ridiculous.
Yeah.
This is the last thing we're going to look at today, because it's starting to get close to happy hour, and we'd prefer happy hour than go and look at some other thing.
Paul might prefer happy hour.
What's that?
I think Paul might prefer happy hour.
I can't blame me. Anyhow, let's have a look at this. The sinkhole. For those of you that want to read it, you can pause the video and have a read.
Wow, look at the size of the hydrangeas down there.
Yep.
Pretty,
Oh yeah, this is cool.
isn't it?
Oh wow, that's awesome. There's all the ivy hanging down.
Beautiful.
Just a bit of another look at the sinkhole from the other side. They've turned it into something pretty beautiful from just a barren hole that once had water in it.
Gorgeous.
It is. Really nice parkland around it as well. I feel a beer coming on.
Yeah.
Yes. I reckon it's beer o'clock. That was well worth it.
2:15.
That was well worth it. Oh, 2:15. Oh god, it's 2 hours and 15 minutes past beer o'clock. Alright, let's get moving. That's the touristy things we have done for the day. We're just going to stop in at Woolies here, get some supplies for tonight, tea, and then head back to happy hour. We are back. Honey, you did well picking those places. They were really good. Well worth it.